For me, gender equality means giving everyone a fair go and giving everyone the same opportunities to succeed.
I think, to be honest, gender equality is important not just in sport but in every facet of our lives. I think this is the generation who are going to see it happen.
At the footy club, like having equal opportunity, access to resources and just being treated fairly around the club.
I'd say inclusiveness towards women, making sure they feel welcome and comfortable in the football environment.
It shouldn't be the boys are up here and the women's are down here. We deserve to have the same opportunities as a male or a non-binary person.
We're both there for the same thing and the same goal.
I think for me it's just everyone having the same opportunities to perform well or have fun, so same grounds, facilities, training nights, physios.
It's about fairness and equal opportunity, it's about respect and it's about culture within the club.